Good morning, students. Now, today we'll learn our continuation of our lesson number 9, that is different features in Word. In the first part, we have learned about some options, okay, which are the additional features. They are header and footer, how to insert a header and how to insert a footer. And in the same page, if you want to insert a page number, how you will insert it and how to leave the space, okay. So now in the second part we'll learn about the another features, additional features. They are spelling and grammar. Now what is the spelling and grammar? By the word only you will understand that what is the feature. So in Word you have an inbuilt dictionary. Okay. Now you will be knowing what is the dictionary. Dictionary means what? If you have any spelling and if of that spelling, if you want the meaning of that, so that you get in the dictionary, that you look in the dictionary, correct students? Yes, it contains the correct spellings of all the words, or you can say the meanings, words included in the English dictionary. So when you type a word, okay, in Word document, if you are typing any word, so it takes or it compares the spellings of the word in its own dictionary. Now how you will understand that it checks, how do you come that it is a spelling mistake or a grammatical mistake? Yes, you can. So for that, first purpose is you will go to the review tab. In the proofing group you will get the spelling and grammar option, correct students? Now what is the main thing here? So when you are writing it, if the line comes in the red wavy line, see I have shown here in an example, red wavy line, then it is the spelling misspell, you can say, or you can say has a spelling mistake. And if there is any grammatical mistake, then the sentence or the word will be underlined in the green wavy line. See now wavy line, why it is known as a wavy line? Because it is up and down, so like a wavy, so that's why it is known as a wavy line. So only you have to keep in mind that when it is red it will be a spelling mistake, okay, or when it is green then it will be a grammatical mistake, which I have shown here on the screen, correct students? Now again, when for this what you will do now, you will select a text you want to run a spell check. On the review tab, have I shown here, on the review tab click on the spelling and grammar in the proofing group, okay. One dialog box will appear, okay. Now which is the dialog box, I will show you. Like this you can see, okay students. So see here, here is a bit of text to the test the spelling checker. Now it is written, see the spelling is wrong. S checker means CHECKER will come, but because of the spelling is wrong, it's written instead of C as it has been showing in the red color, correct? So for this what you will do to correct one error, now if the spelling whichever you are written is written 2 to 3 times in your document, then and it is wrong, so you will say change all. Which option you will say? Change all. But if only one spelling mistake means in the document, in the fully document only one time that spelling is there and it is wrong, then only you will say change. Correct, students? Now they are giving you the suggestions also. By looking on that suggestions, you can click on the correct one and say change button. Click on the change button. So it will get correct automatically. Now next thing, that is a thesaurus. Now you will be saying that what is the thesaurus? Which new word is this? So thesaurus means what? It is used to find the synonym, or you can say the alternative of a selected word. So whichever word in the document, if you are selecting it, okay, synonym means what? You can say in Marathi samanarthi shabda. Okay, saman means same word. So if you want the meaning of that any word, same way, same option you will go, that is the review tab. In that proofing group, you will get, see in the circle it has been shown you thesaurus. So you will click there. Or otherwise, you can select that word. There are two options you can use. Select the word, right click on the word to find a synonym. The pop-up menu means what? The beside one screen will come, that is known as your pop-up menu option will be displayed, and click on the synonym to see a list of words with similar meaning. So afterwards, while clicking on that, you will get the meaning of that word which you have selected. Or same way, on the review tab, click on the thesaurus in the proofing group. Also you can do like that, or you can do with the help of mouse also, means right click also. Correct, students? See, now I had written the word walk, or I had selected that word, so I had got all the samanarthi, means the meaning, same meaning of that words. Okay, got it, students? Yes. Now next one, we'll learn about the find and replace option. Which option you will learn? Find and replace. Now by the word find only, you will get understand that what is that. Find option is used to find a specific text or a word in the document. Means if you written the big paragraph, okay, or more than 20 to 25, or more than 50 to 55 lines, or 100 lines in that document, if you want to find any one word, single word, you can find with the help of this option on clicking on the find. Next, now what is the procedure for it? Okay, we'll look it, and in that only you will get the same option, that is the replace option. The replace option is used replace. Now you will be knowing the word replace means what. Replace means instead of that word you will get the another word whichever you have to write. So for that purpose also, first thing you will need to search the word which you have to replace. Okay, students. Now see, I have written the one line, new row mango app. Okay, some text I have written here. So where I'll go for this option, I'll go to the home tab. In that home tab, I'll go to the see in the, I have already square in the green. See that options are in the editing group. Okay, find, replace, etc. Okay, so see when I am doing anything, so I written here the one text. See, can you see one text? When I'll click on that find and replace option, I'll get this dialog box. Okay, or I can say the pop-up menu. So find and replace tab, this option I am getting. So first option is of first type is find, second option is the replace. Find what? Now in the find option, what you will write? The following, see I have written one quote here, the following quote without quotes. Today I am learning how to use PPY. Okay, some text are written here. Correct, students? Now find what I am means I colon m are written here. So I don't want that in between dash colon. So I'll replace with first. For that I will say find what. I'll write whichever word I have to replace it, and then I will click on the find next option. Now after clicking on the find next option, that word will be getting selected there. Replace with, so I have only written I am. Correct. Now what is the meaning of replace and replace all? Replace and replace all means the same way. Replace means only if the word is written one time, then only one mistake will be there. So for that purpose you will say only replace. And replace all means what? If you have done the mistake in 2 to 3 places, so what you can do, you can find that word and then say by clicking replace all. So wherever I am, I first of all am is there, you will get I am directly, whatever you are in the text to be replaced. Okay, so now for that the shortcut key will be Ctrl plus H to find and replace any word in the document using Ctrl plus F. Now find and replace. What are the shortcut keys? Ctrl plus F and Ctrl plus H for replace. Okay. Now shortcut keys means what? If you don't want to click with the help of the mouse click, you can directly go from the keyboard and type Ctrl plus F and Ctrl plus H. So you'll get that options. Now last and the least in this lesson is about superscript and subscript. Now see, while writing the formula, what is the use of what is the superscript and what is the subscript. Superscript and subscript refer to the numbers or text. It refers to both numbers or text. Correct, students? That is position slightly higher or lower than the letters on the line. Now whichever text to write, I will show you the example. See here, I have shown you what is that. Now here the examples are shown as like x2 and also x2, but one is 2 is down and one 2 is in the upper part of that text. Correct. Position little bit lower and higher means somewhat the lower text which is there means downside 2 is written, that is known as subscript, and the upper side 2 is which is written is known as superscript. Correct, students? Now basically this you can use in the mathematical equations where you are writing x square y square, or in science H2O formula if you are writing. So for that purpose you need the, or suppose if you are writing number 10th, 11th, 12th, so th, third, rd, so whatever you if you want to write at the upper position you need a superscript. And suppose if you are writing the science formula like H2SO4, so you need the 2 and 4 at the lower position. So for this purpose you select it first, your text whichever you have to place is at the lower place at the lower or the upper position, and then your text that will be becoming as a subscript and a superscript. See, I had given you the example x square plus y3. Okay, so where the x square is written 2 and the 3 is written, that means what? My text is superscript, and H2O my text is subscript. Okay, students? Okay, thank you.